dear student joining us from various fashion design schools from all around the West Asia region. This workshop, it's an opportunity for you to explore the world of color, to dive into sustainable and circular fashion practices, and hear from experts on their experiences in the industry. We rely on you to make this experience a dense one, and to take home all the resource, knowledge, and expertise that you will gain from this workshop, and to be our drivers and our ambassador of change today and every day for a greener and sustainable future.